Hey guys, so I just got here to unit 35. It is the last entrance of the property. It has the electric gate there. This is, oh my God, 35 here. It does have a 36 on the other side. And then nothing to the right. This has a really nice sized garage. And a little downstairs area here with shower. And another opening for the garage, so we'll go back in here. But there's a lot that you could do underneath here, just like they did over there with creating a deck and seating area. Maybe adding a fan or something down here. But this could be utilized so much better than what it is being used as of now. All right. So look how deep this is. Obviously they've taken out all the furniture from upstairs, which looks really old anyways. But I mean, ample amount of space for 2 cars to drive up in here. A golf cart. Very, very nice sized. All right, let's go upstairs. You know what? Let me turn the lights. Yep. Okay. So, if we were to walk down those paths all the way, there's a little pavilion. That's where the pool is. So you have just a little bit of a walk, but it's nice to know that there is a pool. And then also beach access right next to the unit. All right. So this is a 2-bedroom. I think the last time we looked at this property, it was a, we saw a 3-bedroom listed at like, I believe it was 1.4. So nice vaulted ceilings in here. Good area for dining room table there. Seating area. And then kitchen. So this is Corian countertops. Obviously that would be a smart thing to, and maybe take this higher ledge off and do it one solid piece. You know, to have instead of having that little layer up. Little quartz, it would modernize it a lot more. Seems like everything is in really good shape. You know, a few little scratches, but not bad. That is also vented out, so that's nice. Cabinets are in good shape. This unit is projected to do 90 to 95,000. Yeah, all the cabinets are really good shape, no damage at all. Well, a little bubbling there. But on the outside, these have roll-out shelves. More roll-out shelves. They work. Must have set something down wet in there to make it bubble. Oh, trash. I mean, it definitely would work for now too, for rentals. And then refrigerator over in the corner. Yeah. These are bamboo floors, so bamboo floors throughout, so they look like they're in very good shape. Oh, yep. And your pantry. Attic access there. I would just, if it were me, I would change this out, change those out, and do, you know, those aren't that bad, but they are a little dated. Right here off the front door is a coat closet. Obviously you need to put some blinds up or something in order to keep it cool. So taking this right, here's where your washer and dryer would go. Ample amount of storage. Sorry, there's the light. Coming into the first bedroom here, good size. Little worn area there that might need a little, you know, maybe some oil or staining. Ultimately, you'll probably have a rug in here anyways, but everything is nice, flat ceilings. Kind of smells like it's been freshly painted. There's your view out there. Good sized closet. And then walking in to the vanity area. It's a cultured marble. I mean, I would, if you were gonna do it, the kitchen, I would do a remnant here and here of the same, and just modernize it just a little bit. Only a little bit of, you know, wear there, but not bad at all. Plenty of storage. Everything looks good. The floors look really good in here. And then coming in, just a stand-up shower, nice size. I mean, it's the cultured marble as well. It's in good shape, so I mean, it doesn't even look like it needs any recaulking at all. Maybe a little bit, but there's one little corner over there. But yeah, everything looks really nice. Guess it has another light there too. Nice and clean. I do like that these have the high ceilings. So this would be your bathroom to use as well for the, you know, other guests. So it has a pocket door. Fireplace, which is pretty. Adding a mantle maybe would be nice, and putting your TV up there, or, you know, having it in the corner. This view is awesome. We'll go out there in just a second. Just a little spot there, but maybe they hit that when they were moving furniture. So coming into the master, oh, that's a little wax there. There's a little worn spot here that might need some sanding or oil. But again, you're gonna have a rug over here. So nice, spacious master, and then that view is to die for. It's amazing. Yeah, changing that out maybe eventually with those lights would be nice, but it is bright, and again, cultural marble. Eventually, it's in good shape, so changing it out wouldn't be a bad thing. It's catching on this door though. Cabinets look good. Couple little spots. Now this is the beach, so everything that's chrome will rust, so I suggest not doing something like that, because everybody leaves the doors open, so the salt air does get in here. Coming into the master bath, I guess that might be a heater, yeah. That might just need to be cleaned and repainted, just the top, but same shower as in the other room. Oh, and then you got a little bit of a linen closet back there, so that's nice. They did not have that in the other bathroom. Closet, good size closet. So ultimately, if you were gonna have this as your rental, I would suggest maybe that front closet, making that your owner's closet and putting a normal door on it. And of course, putting some blinds, or maybe doing what would look really nice is the plantation shutters, because you only have 1, 2, 3 windows. So covering that. The people right across the way, it looks like they have the plantation shutters. Yep, there. So doing 3 windows wouldn't be a bad thing. All right, well, let's go out to the back, because that's really what we're here for. It is gorgeous today. Nice little breeze out here. It's nice that you do have some covered area. And then I couldn't open that door, so I don't know if it needs, to be looked at, but it would not unlock. Obviously, it's oxidized, but that wouldn't be something that we'd want to probably talk to them about. This is a hardy board, something that might need to be addressed. I mean, it is concrete board, but that probably is something that would need to be looked at. You have a metal roof, so yeah, just amazing though. Really, really nice. I'm sure that's something that the HOA deals with. But out here in the afternoons and sunset time, you have nothing blocking you. Nothing will ever be built. Just amazing. So these are all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ways to get across. And y'all remember the pool is in the middle. Anyways, go back inside. I talked with Travis too about the price. He says it's worth it all day long. If we were in a different market, it would probably warrant another $150,000. So, anyways, I'll get this downloaded and sent to y'all, and you let me know what you think. But those views right there, I don't even know if it really does justice on my camera than being here in person. But it's awesome. All right, thanks guys.